Hey traders, how you doing? Happy, what is it, Tuesday. Coming into late morning. Market's open for about another hour. I'm getting beat up out here, man. I took a couple of trades. I got long here. I saw that. I got long here. I got stopped out right there. That's how long I was in that trade for. In here, toward the bottom of this thing here, right? Because I had the impulse down. I had a shelf right here, right? Took that out and you know, trying to hide under here. A lot of people under here, here. I was under here. Popped. Short one, small one, no big deal. And then I did it again, right over here. Bought that one. It got a little pop. Got stopped out right away. And then I did the same thing. Short little stop under here. Popped out. And then this thing formed up. I said, hey, that doesn't look bad. Got in right here and made all my money back, but I got stopped out right down here. Actually, I got stopped out right behind it for a short stop. So a couple of stops, 3 trades, just working this little shelf here, this little kill zone. Again, I'm on the wrong side. Why do I think that? Why am I long here? You say, well, geez, I have an impulse leg down. I have, I have a top here. That top's better than this one. But I see all this stuff. And I kind of say, okay, I want to, what I was trying to do is sell it from here down. So my long here, I was getting out right in here. And I tightened up my stop and just let it take it out. So that's how it goes, man. It's not always big money every day. But we are here to try it. Look at this one. This is the one that I was marked up earlier with a really nice impulse with a shelf. Right, see this shelf line up right here? Maybe you're a little tick early to get in on that. If that's too much for you, cut it in half maybe. I don't know. Get out down here. That's a heck of a trade right there. That's the one we missed. Sell the line, sell the shelf. That's why we have to practice and practice and practice and practice to get better. And I've got this here. This is just kind of the swing length. Measured move. They show up. There's a measured move right in here too. But hey, I hope you guys are doing better than I am. Let me know in the thoughts or in the comments your thoughts about or your let me know your thoughts. All right. See you later.